Promotions on YouTube let you set up ad campaigns for your content. On top of regular channel growth and organic discovery, promotions can get your videos and shorts in front of new audiences, helping you and your business reach your goals. Let's walk through what promotions are, who might use them, and how to use them. First, what are promotions on YouTube? Promotions let you run your video or short as an ad on YouTube. Your ad can appear in YouTube search results, the home feed, the shorts feed, watch next, or as an ad on other videos on the watch page. Based on goals and criteria you select, YouTube will automatically show your promoted content to viewers who are likely to engage with your channel. Content you promote will be labeled as sponsored. Who might use promotions? Any creator can use promotions. You don't need to be part of the YouTube Partner Program to use them. However, you should have a clear goal in mind when using them. Creators use promotions to grow their business or to help get their content in front of new audiences. Promotions can help increase sales by driving additional views to your content that showcases your products or services. Direct viewers to a specific site to buy your merch, products, concert tickets, courses, or more. Or reach a specific audience, like viewers in a new country. Remember, promotions should be used in addition to your channel's organic reach and discovery on YouTube. Also note that any subscribers or watch time gained from promotions spending won't count towards YouTube Partner Program eligibility. Next, how do you use promotions? You can easily set up a promotion for your content from your phone or a desktop. You can do this using the Promote button from your content's watch page, or from your content list by tapping the three-dot menu, then Promote. From desktop, you can also go to YouTube Studio, then Content, then Promotions, then New Promotion. You'll be asked to link your Google Ads account or set up a new one to use promotions. You'll see 4 main steps when setting up a promotion: goal, video, targeting, and budget. At the goal step, you'll see the option for audience growth, video views, or website clicks. At the video step, you can add or change the content you want to promote and edit the promotion headline or description. If you chose website clicks as your goal, you'll also see the option to enter the landing page where you want to send viewers. At the targeting step, you can choose the locations of the viewers you want to reach. And at the budget step, you can choose the budget amount and duration for your promotion. Keep in mind that to be eligible for a promotion, your content must be public or unlisted and at least 10 seconds long. It also needs to meet Google's video ad requirements and Google's editorial advertising policy. Once your promotion is approved and running, you can keep track of metrics like impressions, views, and subscribers. You can also make edits while it's running. Finally, let's walk through some questions you may have about promotions. Do I need to promote my content to become a successful channel? Absolutely not. We want to give creators more options to reach new audiences and share their businesses, so we are offering this as an additional lever to help meet your goals. Creators of all sizes can be successful relying on our organic recommendations and a strong content strategy to grow their channel at no cost. Promoting your content is handled separately from our organic systems. Channels and creators can thrive with or without promoting their content. If you do choose to use promotions, there's never any minimum spend, and you can stop at any time. What are the best practices for running a promotion and getting the best performance? We recommend running your promotion for at least a week, and keep in mind the targeting choices you make will impact the cost per action for your promotion. For example, views in a certain country may cost less than in another country, so make sure you're intentional with your targeting, and you select the options that are important and relevant to your channel. Do promotions hurt the organic reach of my channel or my other videos' performance? No, promotions don't impact the organic performance of your channel or of the promoted content. It's true that promoted content will generally see a drop in aggregated metrics like audience retention and click-through rate in YouTube Analytics, which is anytime there is an increase in reach, whether through promotions or organically. That said, promotions will not impact the way your content is recommended in typical search and discovery on YouTube. Organic recommendations focus on learning how content performs when it is recommended, not when it's run as an ad promotion. To take a closer look, you can always use YouTube Analytics to split out audience retention by organic and paid traffic. Are the subscribers from promotions real? Yes. We only count organic subscribers towards YouTube Partner Program eligibility to help keep an equal playing field for everyone interested in joining the program. But subscribers gained from promotions are still subscribers. They can receive notifications about your new content, and they can become robust members of your community. A promotion may kickstart a viewer's relationship with your channel. And if you continue to provide content that's interesting and valuable to them, there are plenty of ways for them to engage once they're aware of you. Right from YouTube, it's simple to use promotions to meet your business and growth goals. If promotions are the right fit for you, try them out. And thanks for watching.